Felipe from the UB Pilots Association, and I'm here to present our official release. As soon as you head over to ubpilots.com, you'll get to our landing page. We haven't changed much since the beta. Everything's pretty much the same except for our nav bar. You can now log in on our nav bar and hit the sign up button, login button. So let's just go ahead and sign up. The first thing you'll notice here, all the fields that are required have the red star. And also the submit button is locked until everything that's required is filled. So let's go ahead and fill this out. Spell my name wrong. Emails have to be used with a valid buffalo.edu email. Passwords now have to contain 8 characters minimum. Let's just go back. 8 characters minimum, an uppercase and lowercase letter, and a special character. As you can see now, the submit button is enabled and you can now submit. Send you to the login page after you sign up so you can sign up with your account. If you enter the wrong password or username, which I did, you would get an error message saying that the username or password is not valid. So let's go ahead and do this again. Awesome. That after you log in, it directs you to the home page. The home page, you could pilots log. We can add an entry. We changed the way you add entries now. We don't forward you to another web page. We put everything on the logbook web page. So we have this dialog box come up with the logbook entry form. Everything with a red star is required. The submit button here is also disabled until everything that's required is filled. So let's go ahead and fill this up. Let's say we went from Buffalo back to Buffalo and to the aircraft. Total flight, let's just say we did an hour and a half. Takeoffs 2, landings 2, and now the submit button is enabled. As a regular user, your logbook entry has to be approved by an admin. So this screen pops up. Thank you for your submission. Your entry has been sent to an admin for approval. So it's not going to be on a logbook just yet until an admin approves it. So let's go ahead and sign out and log into our admin account. For those of you that are testing our software, just message us on Getter for admin passwords and whatnot. We don't want to make those public. And yeah. So here we will log into our admin account. Just want to show you guys one thing. If you log in with invalid credentials here, an error message will pop up as well. Awesome. All right, so now we're logged in as an admin. We can go ahead to our admin menu, and the one that we did was KBuff, 1.5 miles. We can approve this. Let's head over to the logbook. So organize this from descending order, and you can see my entry right here. Now, let's say I made an error. The user made an error when in an entry. Admins can now edit. So let's say we departed from JFK, but we mistakenly put we departed from Buffalo. So we can change this to JFK. Hit this little pencil up here. Hit the refresh button. It's taking a bit. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and organize this again. And as you can see, okay, I guess I clicked it one too many times. All right, as you can see, it says JFK instead of Buffalo. Also, admins are able to delete entries as well. So let's just say we want to delete something. I'll delete this one. Hit that delete button, automatically refreshes, and now the entry is deleted. That is all for our official release. If anyone has any questions, please message us on Getter. The link is on our README on our GitHub. And thank you. After recording the last video, I realized I forgot to show one of the features that we implemented. To make things a bit mobile friendly, we also added, when you double click on a row on a logbook, a dialog box will pop up with the information on on that row. This will make things much more user friendly for mobile users, and it'll just look better overall. Thank you.